Hello friends, welcome back to our another FactuON learning series video. So in my previous all videos, I already covered these all topics. Okay, if you did not watch any of them, I will I will suggest you go and first watch all these videos. Okay, so let's move forward. Today I'm going to cover four topics in this video. Okay, currently you are seeing this banking overview. This is one topic. Another is your generate text report and cashbook transaction. And lastly, I'm going to represent you setting. Okay, so these all topics I'm covering in this video. So currently you are seeing this banking overview page, and you can see here this graph, monthly deposit and withdrawal graph. Okay, so and here is an option of add a bank account. In my previous video, I already explained this how to create your bank account in portal in this customer payment video. Okay, so if you did not watch this video, I will add link in my description, so you can go and watch that video. Okay, so currently you are seeing this your active bank accounts. Okay, you can see here bank name, account number, SWIFT code, and bank balance. Okay, so and here you can add your bank detail. So account detail, this video I already covered, so I'm not going to repeat here again. Okay, so let's move forward. If you can click here, and if you want to see your all transaction history, then one by one you can choose your bank account and you can check your running balance, withdrawal, deposit, and type, preference, date wise, every history you can see from there. Okay, and suppose if you want to add your transaction, so or maybe you can transfer this to another account. Okay, now you can see here this transfer to another account, so you have to click here and you can see this page. Okay, so what you have to do here for transferring your one account to another account, you have to fill this option. Okay, so this by default this account is selected. You have to choose your account, then you can choose your date, then amount. If you want to add any reference, you can add here, or description if you want to add, then you can add, and then you click on transfer, so it will be selected. Okay, so that's it about your transaction and add to another bank account. Okay, so these are the steps. So currently you are seeing this banking overview, and that's it. Let me move forward to next topic. That's it about banking. Okay, and here is generate text. So you can see this dashboard, right? This is a comes under your accountant. This video I already explained in my third video, I guess, where I already explained how to generate your text report. Okay, so if you are any accountant, then you can upgrade this functionality to for users. Otherwise, you can contact to your accountant for this particular task. Okay, so it was handled by accountant only. So if you did not watch this video, how to generate text report, I will add this link in my description, so you can go and learn about this topic. Okay, so let's move forward. Cashbook transaction. So here you can see this cashbook transaction dashboard. Okay, so direct payment you can do from here, direct receipt you can get, transfer you can do, and opening balance you can check. Okay, so these are the history of transaction, so you can see from here also. Suppose if you are choosing this one, direct payment, you can do from here, same procedure. You have to choose your bank account, then you have to choose your account. Okay, then you can choose the date, whatever date you want, then you can choose the amount, and then you can add reference if you want to add, then you can add any description. Okay, then submit the payment, so it was automatically added here. Okay, so next is direct receipt. From here you can get your direct receipt. Suppose I am using this, the procedure is same. Then you have to choose account, then you have to choose this date wise, then you can choose here amount, reference you can left, or you can add by own, and description you can add, then submit it. You can see this direct receipt. Okay, type you can see. Now come to the transfer. Same procedure. If I am choosing this bank account, suppose I am adding to this account, and date you can choose whatever, same date I'm choosing, suppose. And suppose I'm adding here two, reference is not needed here, description left, and then transfer. You can see this is transfer. Okay, now come to the opening balance. Same procedure, you can choose the bank account, date you can choose, suppose I'm choosing this. I'm adding the opening balance, then reference I'm leaving, and description is same. Save opening balance. Now you can see this opening balance. Okay, so these are very simple steps. Okay, so only here you have to choose any of them, whatever work you are doing. So according to that you have to choose, and these details you have to fill. Okay, so that's it about checkbook transaction. Okay, now let's move forward about setting. So currently you are seeing this setting option. Okay, this is a profile setting, and here you can add your basic details of your account. Okay, with this FactuON dashboard. So here you can see the email ID, full name, address, phone number, and language. Then save it. That's it. Now come to next, company detail. Now you can see here the company detail. Okay, so logo you have to fill, company type, company name, registration number, email ID, phone number, address. Okay, and postal code, city, provision if you want to add, then you can add country code, base currency, and then save it. The simple steps you have to follow. Now let's move forward about the accounting detail. So actually I'm just explaining it very fluently. Okay, because no need to take more time in it. It was very simple and easy step for you, so that's why I am covering these four topics in one. So you are seeing this account detail. So here is create a new account, and here you can export your data. So you can add here account name, code, type of account, and action. In action you can see this delete option. If you want to delete any accounting detail, you can simply delete from here. And suppose you want to create any account, so you have to click on it and see this option. Okay, account name you have to enter, code you have to enter, then you have to choose types. So here you can see 5 type: asset, equity, expenses, income, liability. Whatever account type you want to add here, you can choose according to that. That's it about how to create any accounting detail here. So let's move forward to text detail. See this text detail. Okay, here you get text name, text percentage, type of text, action. So you can see from here whatever action, like whatever text is active or deactive. Okay, if you want to active, then you have to simply choose it. If you want to deactivate, then you can deactivate any text. Okay, so and here is option to export your text, here is option to create a new text. So what you have to do here, you have to add your text ID, then text name, then text percentage. Okay, and then text type. You can get here two options, IVA and retention. So whatever text you are going to generate, you can choose from here. Now let's move forward about payment terms. So this is a payment term dashboard. Same thing, here is option to create new payment term, here is option to export your payment term. So you can see this name, number of days, action, and here if you want to delete any of payment term, you can simply delete from here. And export, you want to download your file, then you can choose the export button. If you want to create a new payment term, then simply you have to click on it and see this name, number of days. Okay, that's it, and then create. Now let's move toward the bank detail. Currently you are seeing this bank detail option. uh, from here you can generate or you can add your bank account. In my previous video of this customer payment, I already explained about this topic. Okay, so I'm not going again for the same. And if you want to find this topic, you can simply go to our description and get this topic. Okay, so here is option, the same procedure. Here is option to add your bank account and export. So you want to download your detail, so you simply export it, and you can add your bank account via here. Okay, so that's it about the bank detail. Manage user. We're seeing this manage user dashboard. Okay, it was governed by your accountant profile, so it was not clickable in action option. Okay, here you can see your users detail. Okay, name, email id, status, state, address, number, language, that's it. Whatever information here you added, you can search from here. Now let's move to the sales invoice setting. Here you can see this sales prefix dashboard. So currently you are seeing this prefix, okay, and this type and default prefix action. Action you can delete or deactivate, or here you can delete or activate. That way you get some option from here. Okay, so currently if you want to add if you want to download your file, then you can simply export it, and if you want to add any new prefix, you can choose here, select invoice or credit, whatever you want. Then you can choose here I and D, select, create here. See this, if you want to add this default, then you can choose here the default. Okay, these are the simple steps. Now let's move to the public and administration. So if currently you are seeing this public administration page, here you can add your public administration account, and here is option of export the data. You can see here the name, code, type, city, provisional, postal code, address, action. Okay, so let me show you. Here you can add your basic detail, these things. Okay, that's it. Now save it. So here you see your public administration. Okay, so after that you have one option of delete. If you want to delete this, simply you can delete your account. That's it. Now let's move forward to invoice template. Currently you are seeing this invoice template setting. Okay, so here is option of few template style: classic, modern, elegant, whatever you want you can choose. You can choose a color line, you can choose headline color, box color. Okay, then save it. Now move next. This is default setting. Okay, so if you want to add this option, then you can simply check it, otherwise you can remove. So it was for allow editing and delete function for sales invoice or credit note, and same for purchase invoice and credit note. So by default it was checked. Okay, so that's it from my end. This is all about my this 4 topics, okay, which I covered in this video: banking, generate text report, cash book transaction, and setting. So thank you for watching. If you have any queries, you can do comment, or you can do like, subscribe, and share. And if you did not watch our any previous video, I will request you go and first watch all the videos. And thank you so much for watching. See you guys in next video.